9-0. 9-0. Oh, 9-0. That's how many justices ruled in favor of President Donald Trump today. Hey, pretty much allowing him to be on the ballot, and the meltdown was incredible. You will not believe the meltdown today that happened. And from Peel Lake, Jenna Griswold, Keith Olbermann was also. Keith Olbermann lost it today on Twitter. You will not. It was wild. I'm telling you, people, this isn't the end. Don't think that this is the end. We still have more cases, and I don't think that the Supreme Court's going to rule against Trump. They're going to rule in favor of Trump, is what I'm trying to say. They're going to rule in favor of Trump in these cases. Will it be 9-0? Potentially, actually, now that I think of it. But my God, is this humiliating for them? And the question is, what do they do now? What the heck are they going to do now? That one of their attempts to stop Trump from running in 2024 has failed. Now now they're going to bet on their next cases. What if those don't work? What if those fail? Now, what are they going to do? That's a very good question. And to that, I say I have no idea. All I can say is we just gotta hope that we can weather the crazy storm, because this is 2024 is insane. It's one of the most insane years I think I've ever seen. I mean, this whole decade has been crazy. Now we're talking about let's see. I oh this is a we're talking about how crazy this is going to make the leftists react. And if I'm going to bring up one of the people who had one of the biggest meltdowns is Keith Olbermann, notorious TDS, and let's see here. Let's see. All right. Here, the Supreme Court has betrayed democracy. Its members, including Jackson, Kagan, and Sotomayor, have proven themselves inept at reading comprehension, and collectively the court has shown itself to be corrupt and illegitimate. It must be dissolved. So, dissolving a body for one of the bodies of government that was created to protect democracy, whatever that means anymore. And Gunther Eagleman, who follows me, go follow him when you're at it. He says, cry more, 9-0. And you're like, those aren't tears, fascist. They're urine. I'm sure you enjoy being bathed in it. By the way, fart. If this court grants Trump his hallucination of presidential immunity, it applies to Biden too. And he could arrest the justices and cancel the election. And you couldn't do shit about it. So he's pretty much fantasizing about bathing in his own piss and canceling elections. You know, sane person. And Scott Pressler roasted Harry Sisson, who is like this. So here is, let's see, insurrection sympathizer Clarence Thomas ruled that insurrectionist Donald Trump can remain on the ballot in 2024. That should be the headline. The ruling was 9-0, and you attacked the black man. Figures. Damn. Damn. Why do you have to signal out Clarence it's not really because he's black, well, partially, but also because he's Catholic, which the left hates Catholics. They say, oh, well, Joe Biden's a Catholic. He's for abortion. Which Catholic is for abortion? Which is why what's going on in France with them making abortion a right so tragic in a sense. And hopefully, if Zemmour gets in next election, that he reverses that. Like, that is one of the worst decisions in French history. Now, I'm not even sure if Robespierre would even go so far as to. I mean, they didn't even have abortion. I mean, that practice wasn't available back in the day, so maybe if it was available, they just say, "Go ahead, kill your kids." But this is a big victory, and if you're not subscribed to following Scott Pressler, go follow him. He's amazing. He's very good in helping get Peel registered. Uh, there's so many reactions, and while this was going on, I was in class this morning, so I was able to get some of it. The reactions, was able to see some of them, but oh my god, is this? I'm not even sure if this is satire. The Pacific, the decision to allow voters to choose likely means the end of democracy. Is this satire? Well, somebody in the comments say if this is satire. Oh my god. And you just see the leftist. Uh, no. Let's see. You see from here, Johnny Maga. And there you are watching him with 20 into this person, Jerry. He don't attack them. They're probably mentally challenged. You know, they obviously believe Biden got 81 million votes. I don't. They're like, I don't think I've ever hated someone more in my life. Angry emoji at Trump. And here's this.
Here's everybody that has resistance and loves God and wants freedom and wants to go to the stars. Here's to all of you, and here's the Supreme Court with a unanimous decision. Burn in hell, New World Order, and go fuck yourselves, George Soros.
Alex Jones. I was watching this live.
While other networks lie to you about what's happening now.
Obama and Biden, by Obama and Biden and others knew that they would be such laughing stocks in history, and they could see the tide turning against them, that they voted unanimously because there wasn't one billion.
Yes, and you have to give credit to all the liberal justices, Sotomayor, Kagan, and even Ketanji Brown Jackson. Who, yes, she has a problem with gay killers, letting them off. Let's not forget that. Let's not forget that. But she's she's also being attacked because she didn't go along with what her white masters wanted. All right, she didn't want to go. She didn't go along. She pretty much did for the best of the country.
Of evidence that Trump attacked the Capitol on January 6th or directed it. They said, we don't even need to state this, but we will for the lower courts. He was never convicted of jack diddly squat. And then if he was, it would be by the Congress. That's in the Constitution, bigger than Dallas. The text of the 14th Amendment, on its face, and prima facie, does not affirmatively delegate such a power to the states. The terms of the amendment speak only to enforcement by Congress, which enjoys power to enforce the amendment through legislation pursuant to Section 5. Under the amendment, states cannot abridge privileges or immunities.
So this is where I say states don't have right because it's pretty much what Congress says. And I guess this is the precedent, which we do need precedent, actually, Sometimes you just need press when. Sometimes you just take what you get.
Deprive persons of life, liberty, or property. This is literal slavery. They say they're making Trump a slave, which is true. When you don't even get a jury.
You can watch the actual thing, but comment down below what you think. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Click the bell for notifications, and I will see you later. Bye.